All right, well, here it is, my next announcement for my Never Lost Live workshop 2020. The next workshop will be right here in Sarasota, Florida, on Memorial Day weekend, which is, the dates are 5/22 through 5/24, 2020. Go and block it off right now. People will be flying in on the 21st, leaving on the 25th, which is Memorial Day. As usual, all your hotel stays and food are included. And yes, you get your own individual hotel room. Somebody asked that. And so what is the Never Lost Live workshop? Well, some people might know, some people might not. So it is a full, comprehensive guitar workshop that sets a path, a clear path for you as a guitar student and as a learner as to how to learn the guitar properly and answer all of your questions. We will start at the very beginning. We'll start at what exactly music theory is in a very easily understandable way, okay? Trust me, if you're a fan of StichMethod, it's no different in live. You'll learn how to play chords all over the place, how to play every chord you want to play, how to bring everything to you. You'll learn all about soloing with pentatonics, scales, and modes. You will learn everything so that when you come across a chord progression or a genre or something that is asked of you, you will know how to play a melody or an improvisational line on top of it. You'll know how to play the chords that go with it. It's designed to give you the utmost confidence in playing guitar. Now, the reason I'm having this one in May is because right in June, I'm hopping in an RV and I'm traveling the United States for a whole year, so I'm not going to have a workshop for a whole year, so I figured let's just get one last one in before I know I can't do one for about a year. So if you're interested in coming, grab that ticket. I promise you, you will be happy with it. Anyone who's come to a Never Lost Live workshop, please put in the comments below your experience so people understand what it is. I'd love to have you there. Any questions whatsoever, you can email me at StichMethod@gmail.com. You could go to StichMethod.com under the Never Lost Live workshop tab, get all the information you need. You can buy your tickets there. This workshop is pretty awesome. I'm not going to lie to you. It is everyone who comes is blown away with it, and I want you to be too. And if you wanted to come, this is your chance. I'd love to have you there. Again, email me if you need to. Tickets are available. I'll stop talking. Never Lost Live workshop, Sarasota, Florida, May 22nd through the 24th, 2020. You have 5.5 months to clear your schedule out. Thank you so much for being a part of StichMethod. Hopefully I see you there. Bye-bye.